अच्छा जी। आउज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Everybody, good morning and assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam, sir.
Okay, today we have lecture number 22-23, personality and its assessment. Last time we discussed about personality and its assessment. It's our second lecture. We will continue our discussion. Okay, the personality traits of an extrovert. What is extroversion? And we will discuss extroversion, some personalities, common personalities you are seeing on your slides. You enjoy social setting, you don't like or need a lot of alone time, you thrive around people, you are friends with many people, you prefer to talk to problem or questions, you are outgoing and optimistic, you are not afraid of risk, you are flexible. These are the some common extroversions of one personalities. Someone can enjoy with the social setting, someone cannot enjoy, someone like to sitting as a alone at home or any someone place, someone do not like to sitting alone at a time in anywhere like college, like at your homes. So these are the different extroversion personalities the people they have. Someone very much thrive around the people. You have seen or you will see someone people are thrive. You're a friends with many people, you have no friends. So these are the different extroversion of the personalities where you can find very easily the people who have friends, who have no friends. He is the man, he is my class fellow, he has no friend. Okay, someone you will find out in your class fellow or in the business community or in your relationship, like your relatives, he has a lot of friends and he is the personality, he has no friends. So these are the different and common personalities you can find out in somewhere. So you will see, you will watch the someone like to talk to you, someone very prefer to talk to you in all kind of problems, in all kind of questions. So these are the personality. If you have problems, you are someone watching the light right now you are watching a lecture. If you have a problem you can ask the question, but in your classroom you will see in someone your class fellows will not talk to me and he will not ask the questions. So these are different personalities of extroversion. You are going to outside, you will see someone will talk to anybody, but someone will very optimistic, he will not talk to you, he cannot talk to you, or you will afraid of risk. Yes, he cannot take any kind of risk, he cannot take of any afraid, because of afraid. He is very flexible, he can talk, he will talk, or at any mood. So these are the different extroversions personality of the any human being. So personality traits of any introverted. An introvert is a person with qualities of personality type known as introversion, which means that they feel more comfortable focusing on the inner thoughts and ideas. Yes, someone you feel in your life, you will find out, or you can find out, the different personalities, which is known as introversion. Like when they will talk to you, they will feel comfortable. When they will on any issue, they will talk to you. So they are basically focusing on their inner thoughts, ideas which they have. So always they talk to you in a very comfortable feeling, rather than what's happening externally. And he don't care about that, what is happening outside. He will talk to you at any phase. They will enjoy spend time just one or two people. So it's mission, they want to talk to everybody and spending time, rather than large group or crowds. Yes, some people like to talk to you, some people do not like to in group crowds. If you are sitting at classroom and in the group manner, some will come in the classroom and don't talk to you, because he doesn't like to talk in the group or crowd, number of large people. So these are the different introverted traits, personalities the people they have. Like signs you might be an introvert: need quiet to concentrate, arc reflective, arc self aware, talk time making decisions, feel comfortable being alone, don't like group work. These are also another introversion personalities. नीड क्वाइट टू कंसंट्रेट मत, वो खामोश रहना पसंद फरमाएंगे। वो जस्ट दे कंसंट्रेट व्हाट द टीचर इज सेइंग, व्हाट द एल्डर इज सेइंग, what the boss is saying, just concentrate and listen to him. So someone are reflective. Yes, if someone is sitting in front of him and he always reflect what is he saying, he will reply, he will talk to you and debate you. So someone self-aware. Yes, of course, if you are talking to someone, he will feel self-aware. He will face, or he will think we should self-aware. So he will not talk to you. Take time making decisions. Yes, if you obey someone saying to obey this kind of situation, so he will take decision and he will act as per your obey. So someone say, and he will say, yes, I will obey your order, but he will take more time. He will take day by day a lot of time. He will uh, he will obey his your orders. So lot of time you will feel, and you will say him, yeah, you are taking too much to do that my complete my order. So these are the different introversions the people have. Might be in quiet to concentrate, or reflective, or self-aware. He will always take time to take the decision, feel comfortable being alone, don't like group work. Yes, he will work alone as a good worker, but when he will attach with someone, he will not like to work in a group manner. So prefer to write rather than talk. Yes, if someone give him to the assignment, he will write well manner, but he will not talk to you in the good manner. So feel tried after being in a crowd, have few friends, friendship, but are very close with these friends. So these are the different introversions. Might be you will see in different colleagues, your friends. You can feel, yes, these are the different personalities you can find out. These is the personality inventories. Inventories are commonly used to identify the structure and feature of one's personality or one's characteristic way of thinking, feeling, and behaving. yes, when you talk to someone, he will feel he has different feature of personalities. He have different characteristics of way of talking. So he have different feelings. He have different behaves like to talk to you. So these are the different personality inventories. These are the commonly used in your life. You will feel, you will see. So the different structure of people, different structure of features he has or they have. So different kind of personalities you will find out in your life. They will talk to you in different way of thinking. They will feel to talk to you in behaving or different structures. They will identify the we have the different structure we want to talk to you. So this is the simple examples. A career counselor administrative as inventory in order to help a person choose a career. Psychologist want to look at symptoms to possibly diagnose a disorder. So a school counselor implements inventors to see if a student, yes, of course, these are the different examples we will study now. So if you have any question till now, you can ask what kind of personality inventories, what is introverted personalities, what are the introversion personalities. If you have any question, you can ask, please, dear students. No question?
No, sir.
Okay, all thing is going
No, sir.
fine.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Okay.